this wealth on the outer world, I call that success. And this wealth in the inner world, I call that happiness. I grew up in very small towns and villages in India. I remember one of the schools I studied in, I was the only student that had shoes. Nobody had shoes. And about 20% of the class, they did not even have shirts. But when you walk to these villages, you see the way their eyes light up. You see the joy in their faces. This is not the joy of having something. It's not a joy of achieving things. This is just the pure joy of just making the most of whatever you have. That's why their eyes light up. Even today, I keep going back to these small towns because that's what I see. To a person who comes from elsewhere, they might superficially observe suffering or pain or economic challenges. But remember, what we're talking about is happiness. It's not about being wealthy. Acceptance is not a passive act. Acceptance is not a mindset where you passively accept everything that's thrown at you, just lie down and do nothing. You can never be happy that way. By acceptance, what I mean is to accept what is and to make the most out of it. That does not mean you will not show initiative. It does not mean that you will not be progressive. You will not try to make things better. But if you do not accept, you're fighting with life. It's completely futile doing that. Accept it with gratitude, accept it gracefully, accept it fully.